Hello, good morning, guys. And just wanted to share this video idea on the Monday morning. Basically, there's a couple of pairs of interest. We are, of course, somewhere like 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks almost, into the issues with Ukraine and Russia. And I've been seeing different pairs doing very interesting stuff in the last week. We got really, really, really big pullbacks. But now we also have some new trends being developed. So here you guys see NZDJPY. As you see, we have been making quite some money actually. And here since 24 February, this market has only been going up. A couple of pullbacks, but in generally we have an uptrend. So pivots is giving us still a bit of space here at the start of the new week. Talking about 57 pips to the upside to 82, 81. And I do think that there is a possibility for this pair to continue to rise. Of course, pullbacks are something that we need to get used to as well. And the nice thing is that we've been making good money on the trend. Therefore, I do want to let you tell you guys to watch out on some pullback opportunities. So here there is a very, very small pullback, and we did not have any in the last ride since 10 March. Like here is a very tiny pullback, and here's tiny pullback. So basically, there is a chance that at any point this week, as in Monday, Tuesday, there can be a little rise still, but there is also a good chance to have a pullback to pivot level before the uptrend continues. If the uptrend after that pullback wants to continue, or we are dropping all the way back to ultimate support levels. So very, very important. If you would start a buy here on Monday morning, if you would do it straight away, I would make sure that my risk is settled somewhere here around strong resistance. If it does break that, if it does go the wrong direction, imagine it's high amount of pips, but low amount of volume. You see here 38 million volume, so it's not that much. So I would say like it would be really good to to see if the market actually is going to make that right or not. So that's for NZD/JPY. Now the euro pairs have been dropping last week a lot. We had all the pullbacks, so all the euro pairs were falling like crazy till Monday 2 weeks ago, right? And a lot of people got stopped out, made losses in the week of 7 March. So that was a painful moment to take some losses. It was really possible to make some of it back in the pairs after it. But let's say here, I personally closed out here this trade from 7 March. I closed out on 9 March. But after that, we had new rises, and I even was buying different levels here for the market now to turn around here. And I said, from this point, if it doesn't go there, then this is the turning point, and we will start selling again. I do believe that some pairs, especially GBP, have made new lows under 7 March. So I think euro is a bit behind, but has a really, really good opportunity to still do that this week. So talking about 260 pips, guys. So this was just a huge pullback from the whole trend that we had since here, even the start of February, 17th February, way before the war, just have been dropping a lot. It went very, very quickly here. And if it went very, very quickly here, you can expect a pullback. That's what I'm telling you on NZD/JPY to watch out with, because we were still selling here, and there was an expectation of a pullback, but we might have been a bit too excited from the week before. Also, another thing that played into the psychology part is that I missed out on Friday to make really a good amount of money. So that was very sad. So we made very, really, really good money here. That Friday, I totally missed out on the market. So on Monday, I was still in my Thursday mind thinking like, okay, this can go down further. We are not there yet, but actually we were. So that's the things that you learn from After that, you can make some money on the uptrend. I did that on the smaller time frames, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, taking small trades. And now the market has been going down for a couple of days. And I kind of saw that around 15, 16 March, maybe turning around. And here we go. We are now dropping. And I think that we can drop towards this area here of the 7 March, not the lows, but the volume area that we had. So that's Euro NZD. Eurocat, a little bit the same story. Now, those pairs don't give space right now, so you would need to wait for Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe Thursday even to take that ride every time ultimate support drops. Pivot level has been dropping Friday, so that's a good sign. Pivot level dropped, the top dropped, the bottom didn't drop yet, so there's a very, very big chance that that's gonna happen as well. Um, then GBP, very quickly, GBPJPY, a little bit weird one, is the only one who really is still moving up. It didn't go down that hard, so it's also still option that this one is maybe just like a more normal market. Now, I drew this a bit too quickly. I would not buy here. I would only buy if it's really making a new high and goes further towards ultimate resistance. Also here, pullbacks are possible because the market has been going up for quite a while. Just a few pullbacks, so there can be a pullback here on Monday as well. Depends a bit on London opening, so we will know that in about an hour and 10 minutes how London is going to react to that. GBP USD in the kind of back to the downtrend. I've marked it as red because I might see myself doing some pending orders on that side. So when the market really comes through the cloud and the Monday and Tuesday volume will tell us more, I might see myself tomorrow morning or maybe New York session today do some selling there. GBP CAT is a bit more clear. We've got different sell opportunities Wednesday and Thursday. The Thursday one came too late. You will not be able to catch this with that arrow. But basically here this morning we got a sell notification again, and this would be the right. Now this kind of pips, guys, this is like 100 pips. So you can really earn very well if you would just focus on one or two pairs. So this is more of an overview just for the Monday morning to get started. 10-minute overview. GBP CAT, really good opportunity. GBP AUD also extreme opportunity, 200 pips to the downside. And that's what I meant. This is the 7 March low, and that's where we are right now. So there is a very good chance that if it starts to make new lows, that we actually are going to go deeper on GBP. Here, the 7 March, where is it? 7 March is all the way here. Look how much GBP CAT has been falling. It's been making a new low on March 11 and last Friday again as well. So I do see that there's a lot of opportunities on GBP. GBP still falling, still crazy. GBP USD, bit more of an advanced trade there. GBP CAT might be just the easiest one to go follow, sell it first to the low of Friday, and then let's see if it breaks some levels to go deeper. So, yeah, guys, that's a bit of the weekly overview. Different pairs. So Euro looks like dropping still. GBP looks like dropping still. Maybe some NZD and maybe AUD buying opportunities. Watch out there with pullbacks because they have not made really big pullbacks yet. And I do know that 2 Mondays ago and also last Monday, the volumes were way higher. So the volumes here look actually really low. We are early. We have like an hour till London to go, but the volumes are really down. So make sure you're trading the ones that have a bit higher volume. GBP AUD, GBP CAT, bit higher volume will give you a bit more overview. And then to finish off with gold, gold basically found his open March low on the 16th. Here is probably some news related thingies, so let me remove that. So gold's been going down, and after the spike up here to 2075, almost 2075, that would have been a high from I think about 5 years ago. Didn't reach it, went down. 2000, of course, very physical number. Some people might have seen a head and shoulders in here, breaking the neckline and then dropping down. Dropped down quite a while till the major trend. Tested with bodies on the March open price, started to go up again straight after and got trapped between major and minor trend lines. So I don't exactly know. It might go down a little bit more again till March open price. This is 1920, same as 2020, a very nice round physical level where the market likes to hang around and turn around. If it breaks down to the open price of March, that's not that much, 1907, it can drop all the way till 1875 again. So it can drop to older levels here. Here's all the January, August, February open. Look, we were trading in the 1700s. So market might, if it kills the March open price, we might see a very serious drop. If it's finding some support here on the major trend line and the March open price, we might see it rise again. But I personally hope so. I would only be interested buying again somewhere from 1950 towards the 2000 level. That would be for later this week. I don't think that's going to happen today. Silver is very similar at this moment, so I will leave it at that. Guys, I wish you an amazing week. Have a really, really good time in the markets. Take it easy. Watch out for pullbacks. Take some tight stop losses if you can. And otherwise, just take a lot of take profits. Take a lot of smaller take profits. It will benefit you way more than taking the long rides in this volatile market. So thank you for watching. Give like a thumbs up on this idea or some comments if you like it. This is not going to be the new way of Monday streaming. I really do like to do the live session, but as we know here in Dubai this week, I am not able to do so. But I'm also really waiting your feedback. Really interesting to know if this might be a really good solution for you guys. So let me know in the comments, let me know in the Telegram channels, and we speak to each other very soon. Thank you guys. Bye bye.